Ooh.
What is it?
Look at this one. Asylum.
Oh god.
Oh.
Well, I'm ready enough. Should be interesting.
Right. That a glow stick.
Whoa! Jesus!
Whoa, whoa!
Oh, get away from that man.
Whoa.
What the shit? Oh god.
Oh, yes! Habas. Yes, bit of excess right project. This is all the stuff that I make.
I know.
Bum 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 bum. Hey, love it.
I think Bates is a bit
Get
fucked.
the dunk on the R base.
Do you know how to play Asylum?
No.
Think so, yeah.
I'll give it a shot though. D Doctor 4. Ready up.
Yeah. I love that tune you were playing, by the way. Access Project. Bass, hot bass.
Are you
Pull
eating?
bass up. Yeah, I'm eating pretzels.
Oh god, you noisy fucker. Nom 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 nom.
Fucking hell, what was that? Sound like slapping your dick against your thighs.
That's
Bass. That is slapping your dick against your thighs. It is.
if my dick makes that noise slapping against my thighs, I've got a problem. It's like this loading time. Fuck me. Oh, never mind. Here it is.
Oh yes. There we go, we're all here. No, we're still waiting for one more. Still waiting for DDR4. Or Dr. 4 should we call him.
Oh. Stop eating, you noisy git.
I know, but these are dead salty.
Don't. So's his dick, but I don't hear you fucking slapping on that. Oh, shit it is.
Oh, there we go.
Alright.
There we go.
God, no.
Macabaroni.
Anyway,
Macabaroni.
Ow.
Right, let's go.
one.
Oops.
Hello, my darkest mild friend. I've come to speak. Yeah, I don't remember the lyrics.
How do you keep your is there a way of keeping your flashlight on even though you've got another tool equipped in your hand?
Fuck those, you know. Don't have a clue, have
I
you?
think there's got to be a way, you know.
You've got one on your shoulder now, flashlight
Yeah,
already.
but it's not. It's shit.
What's mine like? Have I got one?
Yeah, you got one in your hand.
No, but I mean on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that's on now. You seen this?
Yeah, it changes the map. Yeah.
Ah, didn't even know.
You should be able to see the other ones moving around.
Guys, where are you?
Hello.
Hello. Monica, what?
Why have you got a countdown on in the truck, on it?
A countdown in the truck? Is it on our heads type thing?
On top of the computer?
Oh, that's after 5 minutes they'll start getting more aggressive, the ghosts.
Oh, sound. I didn't know. It's the first time I noticed it, to be honest.
Did someone turn our light off? Oh no. It's alright, you turned it on. It's alright.
Such a big place, dude.
Yep. Absolutely huge.
Yeah, huge.
No EMF still.
Hold on.
No, I don't.
Dude. Oh, really? You don't? Okay.
I don't. No, first time here.
Yeah. Where are you from?
England.
Oh, you're England, man. What the hell? I thought you're German.
No.
I've got some signal on the parabolic microphone.
What does that even mean?
Did your friend found a ghost?
Okay. Has anyone had any sightings of ghosts? Krez, do you get any ghost orbs in like that on the head cams? Crazy.
What's up?
Yeah, cheers for that. God. You fucking asshole. Right, I suggest we rendezvous back at the truck, see where we all are, then head back out again. Cause right now I'm a bit lost. No, fuck off.
Hell, what is that?
I think that's my friend.
What? Oh man.
Go away, though. Okay, back at reception, that's good.
How to get to the stairs? Look at the map, I should be on the left side of the building.
You're on the right side according to this. Sorry. You're on the right side according to this.
Where stairs?
Stairs.
Dude, keep going down. Keep going down to the left.
That's a right.
Go left.
Slow.
Yes.
Next left again.
Is it?
Next left and after left.
Left again.
That'd be that. He's going downstairs then, wouldn't he?
Okay, thanks.
I am fucking confused.
Why you choose this fucking big map?
Yeah. I'm not coming.
I'm coming.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Wow, Andy, is that echo in here?
Yeah, I know. Say that shit in your gob, please. Krez, what
Oh
have you
my
got?
god, this is mad.
Krez, what have you got on you? Tool-wise?
Flashlight.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
That's all I can, nothing else.
Terrible.
You wanna play a game?
Yeah, I am. Thanks. God.
Nope, you went upstairs, so go back on yourself. Do
What?
it right.
Don't tell me what to do.
You found the god?
You're on the wrong way.
Where's the right? Where's the right way?
Where's what?
Where is the right way?
I've just told you to go
I
right,
found
and you just went left.
something downstairs.
How many ghosts are here?
One.
I found the ghost room downstairs.
Oh, sweet.
Freezing temperatures.
Have it? Yeah, it has. Nice. Cool. I'll ditch this piece of shit then.
Room with 2 doors heading to 2 rooms that are separated by the wall and big doorway.
Right, come down this way.
You got at least got a fucking spirit box thingy or something.
Hey, you wanna play a game?
We can hear you. Yes.
Can you see the ghost orbs in the room I am in? Well then, everyone heads towards the van and look at the map where I am. Right now I am inside.
Oh, shit.
Flasher.
Oh my god, why did you just shut the door on me?
Coming. Turn off the light and sit down.
Everyone head towards the van and look at the map where I am. I am inside the ghost room.
Can't who's chasing us?
1 minute. I'm stuck. Where am I? How'd you get out?
Don't care, have fun.
Anyway, first evidence is freezing temperatures.
Oh my god, I don't know where I am. Where are you, Andy?
Not telling you. Not telling you.
Where are you, Andy?
Go. I will tell you where should you go.
Andy?
Poor Crazy. Oh, that was fun.
Do you know where I am?
Yeah, I see you.
Let's have a look on the camera actually.
Go towards this room.
Okay. I'm coming to you.
Best.
I'm coming to you.
Bye bye.
I've got the crucifix.
It's a big room, take 2.
Mate, I don't know where I am. Someone's gonna have to come to me.
Is anyone in the van?
Fucking hell, that was horrible. Fucking hell.
Bring us a book or something like that.
I've got the crucifix.
Let's go.
Yeah. I'll take a book with me.
Go to the van.
That was horrible, that.
I know. I could hear you talking going, I can't see it.
No.
I just left you. It's like just giggling to myself like a twat. Hello.
Yeah, but one guy should be in the van and say the activities and the sanity.
I'll go back to van then.
I'd see you in a bit, Annie.
Bye. Have fun, dears. We're gonna die now. Leave us a message. And now it's spiked to level 10. Oh, fingerprints, nice. Okay, so we're looking at either a Wraith or a Banshee. Nice. Okay, you've stopped the ghost from hunting, so we've got one more objective left, and let's just find out which one it is.
There should be a banshee, guys. Try EMF. It should be a banshee.
Okay, the door by the truck keeps opening.
Who is playing with their flashlights? Who is in the van?
Me.
If it's a banshee, she could take you as the target and she won't show up when you are in the van.
Oh, that was
Jesus
scary.
Christ. Prick.
That was scary, that.
Didn't hear you coming.
He's moving the door.
EMF 5.
Okay, Banshee.
Banshee,
Go,
Banshee,
go out,
sound.
go out. He's Banshee.
I can try.
That one?
I
Good.
can try to take the picture of her.
Yeah, I
And
wouldn't.
Hunting was just right now stopped by the crucifix.
What
I
is
mean,
that?
that was horrible.
You can go out.
These-
Hunting was stopped by the crucifix.
Yeah. Yeah, we've already got that before.
He's gonna die, eh, Mandy, look.
I know. Same.
Well, this crucifix here has no more uses.
Get out, guys.
Yeah, just return to the van. We've got everything we need.
Well, we didn't get the ghost picture and it's some back.
No. We have EMF level 5, you know?
Yeah, but I mean taking a picture of the ghost, it's always $10.
Yeah, let's not stick our dicks in vice grips.
So if you want to take a picture, let's go to take a picture.
They're dead.
Well, crucifix has no more uses.
Who's the dying here, eh? Jeez.
Yeah. I'm on you too. I don't know why the door won't open.
I can't open the door.
I don't know why. Door's buggered.
Why does...
Have to walk through it, look.
Wait.
I passed through the
Back this way, can we leave when the ghost is coming?
What the fuck? Nice. Easy.
Okay, we just need to affirm what it is and bail.
Banshee?
Banshee.
Yeah, Banshee.
Let's go. Shit, that's loud.
Safety.
Penises. Oh. Nice.
$5.
Oh, 85?
$55.
Yeah. Don't know why.
85.
Yeah.
85.
Nice.
That was a good hunt.
Level 7.
Boom.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what I'm with the